Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add format on billing phone number in checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and we are going to add billing phone number pattern. Now go to dashboard, scroll down on left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop and select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to set maximum length limit for billing phone number field in checkout page for 10. So that's why we added 11. We are going to set maximum 10 number for phone field. Scroll down. Now you see add action, format checkout billing phone number, and then you see billing ID. Now you see billing underscore phone, and then you see pattern or format for phone number. Now you see 3. So we are going to add hyphen after 3 number, and then again we are going to add hyphen after 3 number, and then you see 4 number, so total 10. So you can set hyphen position according to your requirement. So you can add number according to your requirement. So by using this format, hyphen added after 3 number, and then add again hyphen after 3 number. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page, refresh the page. Now scroll down, and then you see phone field. So we are going to add number. Our maximum length limit is 10. Now add number 1, 2, 3. Now you see format, hyphen added after 3 number, and then hyphen added after 3 number, and then you see 4 number. Back to code. Now you see 3, 3, 4. So we are going to add 2, 2 and 6, and then click on update. Now snippet updated done. Go to checkout page and refresh the page again. Now scroll down, you see phone number field. Our maximum length limit is 10. Now add number. Now you see hyphen show after 2 number. Now you see this is our pattern or format. Back to code. So you can set position according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.